How to enable dictation on iPhone. Now, to do that is you have to go here directly to your settings, and then scroll down up until you see general here. Now click on general and then just scroll a little bit up until you see this section, the date and time section. Now under date and time, you will see keyboard there. Click on keyboard. Now since you want to enable dictation on iPhone, what you're gonna do is to scroll all the way down, and here you will see, before that you will see your keyboards here, your auto capitalization here. Just want to turn that on, and then tap on auto correction. You can actually see here your check your spelling, your enable caps lock, your predictive, and then if you scroll just a little bit, you will see your dictation section here. Now there's two options. It's either auto punctuation or enable dictation. Now since we want to enable our dictation on iPhone, you have to turn on or toggle that on, so this actually will come out. Dictation sends information like your voice input, contacts, location to Apple when necessary for processing your request. So tap on enable dictation if you agree to that, and basically that's it. That is how you enable dictation on iPhone, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.